was all a dream. Ha! Oh, hi! Captain Starlight here. Welcome to another Doses of Distraction video. Now before we get started, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have you done it yet? Alright, let's go! Fun fact, did you know that 65% of our daily conversations are based on storytelling? And dreams are a really creative type of storytelling. So with that in mind, today's activity is handmade books. Woo! Here's what you'll need. 5 pieces of A4 paper, a stapler, a tea towel, a metal spoon, 1 slightly larger piece of coloured cardboard, glue or double-sided tape, or a needle and thread, and a parent to help you. Let's get it started! Take your 5 pieces of A4 paper and fold them in half along the long edge. Then press firmly along the fold, or spine. Apologies if I've offended any jellyfish who don't have spines. Open up the paper to the centre of the fold, laying it on top of a folded tea towel. Place 2 staples along the line using an open stapler. Most staplers are open 24 hours. Carefully pull the tea towel off the back of the paper stack where the staples have gone through. Using the back of the spoon, flatten the staples. And do it sooner rather than later. Thank you. Thanks. I'll be here all week. Fold your coloured card in the same way as the white paper and stick the folded white paper bundle along the spine using glue or double-sided tape. Don't forget to let your glue dry. Now for the fun part. Decorate your cover with a picture, cool typography, wrapping paper, textural materials, or collage. Don't want to make a book? Turn it into a diary. Dear Diary, today I met the most beautiful unicorn and we had a picnic with a jellyfish at the bottom of the ocean. Did you know jellyfish don't have spines? It's amazing. Sorry. Too simple? Why not make your book really fancy by using a traditional method of bookmaking by binding the pages together with a needle and thread? Think about whether the stitching will be on show outside or hidden within. Or Google how to make your own homemade paper, which can then also be used for gifts and labels too. How did you go? What else could you do with these books? Maybe you could write a series of books for your friends and family, and then make a poster to launch the book. But don't forget to send Captain Starlight a signed copy once you're famous. Alright, we'll catch you next time. Bye!